Welcome to the opportunity of 2022. Number 21 Mitchell Street, Hyde Park is surely the perfect candidate for a value-adding renovation. A character sandstone villa on a corner block with side-by-side garaging. Hyde Park is one of Adelaide's premier inner southern suburbs. It's an easy walk to restaurant and boutique precincts on King William Road, Goodwood and Unley Road. Enjoy the cosmopolitan lifestyle at its finest on your back doorstep. You are also zoned for Unley Primary and High School with easy access to Walford and Pultney Grammar. Move in and enjoy this honestly presented home, currently configured with 3 bedrooms, a large living dining with a big kitchen while you formulate your plan moving forward. To make it even easier, all of the hard work has been done with this property, with planning and approval process completed with a set of working drawings available. It's all about the opportunity, and your vision as the stunning basics are all here and so hard to secure. We look forward to meeting you at one of our open inspections. We will be auctioning this property on the 23rd of July at 10 a.m, if not sold beforehand. Thank you for your time today. I'm Angela Steniford from Owens Castley Real Estate.